Mr. Speaker, under the circumstances,
Senator Ledama, you wouldn't want to be the next to withdraw from the chair. Let Senator Onyonka be heard in silence.
Mr. Speaker, but I have a point of order.
Proceed, Senator Onyonka, proceed.
Point of order, Mr. Speaker. Allow me to prosecute. The standing orders are clear. Point of order, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Onyonka, proceed. And Senator Nakina, you're cautioned. You insist, I throw you out. That's how you're going to land outside this chamber.
Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, under the circumstances, I find it difficult to raise and discuss the issues that have led us to where we are. My sincere and honest observation and evaluation, especially to members who are in this House and members of... Yes, sir.
Mr. Speaker, can I inform you? Mr. Speaker, is allowed? Yes. Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker.
I have not allowed that. Proceed, Senator Onyonka.
Mr. Speaker and colleagues who are here, I would like to ask all of you Ms.
Order. Let the senator be heard in silence, please.
Mr. Speaker, Honorable Chair, Mr. Speaker, I would like...
Senator Onyonka,
Yes.
you have under 1 minute.
Mr. Speaker, in that case, I will not say anything because under the circumstances, I can't express myself.
Very well. At this juncture, I will call upon the governor for Meru in 2 minutes.